So bright.
Holy guacamole. I don't know if you know, but this is my boyfriend Rich. He lives with me. He's going to be doing my makeup and I'm so nervous about it. He's never done my makeup before. I trust you, it's fine. But I have no idea what it's going to look like. I've set out all my brushes and stuff next to him and he's right next to my mum desk with all my makeup in.
Do I get any help with this?
No, not at all. No help.
What's the point?
Yeah, I'm not going to tell you anything. His chair is way bigger than mine, hence why.
Just wait till it.
One eternity later.
Okay. Cutting all this anyway, right?
Yeah, but I don't want to be sitting here trying to like cut silence, like a 10-minute silence clip. So what are we going to do first? Are you going for a glam look, a natural look? What are you doing?
And you see how I feel? I'm going to take my dabber. And it says foundation on it, and foundation usually means the bottom of something.
Yeah.
So me putting my foundation on my dabber. Jeu Essential High Coverage Creme. That's the good shit. Right. Let's make it beautiful. Good job.
What kind of look are we going for?
A good one. Full coverage.
Full coverage, cool.
Full coverage.
You know me well.
Maybe. Ready for your night out kind of vibe.
Ready for my night out, so we're going for a glam.
We'll go in lockdown glam.
Lockdown glam.
Why are you looking more like the mask? Beautiful. I just haven't worked it in enough, that's what it is.
Okay.
That's what it is. You know, if you were like putting a base on a painting in primary school,
Guess how much that foundation costs?
I don't know, I hope it wasn't expensive. Good on.
Goes around.
How do I get on the ring, or does the ring just have it as well?
I think just go in.
That would ring work. Gotta get the caps. I think I may have just gone too ham on the foundation.
Mm.
I have too many foundations. I'm stressed out already. That looks nice. I don't even know what this is. What's this? Is this a small foundation? I don't want to put more foundation on, do I? I think I need to sponge more of it.
We've spent a lot of time on foundation.
But you do stuff with concealer. What would you conceal? Oh, is that? Yeah, boom. Boom. I'll use this one. This one looks like a good one.
I want this to be a transformation video.
Okay, cool. Okay.
0 to 100.
Maybe close your eyes as well. Okay.
Close my eye and look up.
Close it, and then look up. Exactly there. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I'm glowing.
Make them pale. But yeah, so this is my bougie bronzing powder. Go with my same brush. Morph. Let me a morph, I think. Wait, it's not enough on you. What's going on? Why are you not bronzed yet? Yeah, boom, here we go. Bronze. Yeah, it is nice.
I'm actually crying.
Yeah, you can't cry, you'll ruin your makeup.
There's flakes coming down on my head. Where are you putting this bronzer then?
This is all over. This is just, I'm blending right now. I've just opened what I thought was a pizza slice. Bit blush. This is for your cheeks, isn't it? Do I need to do mascara?
It's up to you.
What is mascara? Bad gal mascara, for the bad gals out there. How much you put on? Is it like oil when you put it in your car? Is too much bad? I've never once done this in my life, so...
It's okay, chill out.
Yeah, you.
Wow, it's really woken up my eye, isn't it?
Yeah, your eyes are way. Stay still. Stop laughing. Stop. Open your eyes. Close your eyes up, do something.
Close your eyes, I'll do something.
That's it. Another morph. Slice is that one. That's slice there. You can't see it, but it's there. Because you're a bit of a slice. I might even do a blend, a saucy slice blend. Sorry, man, I'm poking your eyeball.
A little bit.
Sorry, you're wincing in pain.
Use your finger if you want. Would you prefer to use your finger?
Nah. Fine, I'll use my finger. Right, come here. Oh yeah, that comes up way better. But let me see before you look in the mirror. I'm just kind of fingering your eye socket at the moment. Step 1 of my 2-step plan. Next, I'm going to make it a bit saucy. Ooh, saucy. For this one, I'm going to use the same finger. Oh yes. Peach sauce. Do you know what I mean? Going to fleek your eyebrows out hard now. That's nice. Oh, pencil time. Because I know how important brows are. Alright, so I'm
It's double-ended.
Oh no. Ah, here we go. So this is where I use this to like. Pow. Oh yes, man. They're all up looking fly. Like drawing.
Yeah. Pencil.
Just colour it in. Tight. Need a more shape, that's all.
Am I gonna have some eyelashes or no?
Is that the mascara?
No, I've got false eyelashes.
Nah, I've done mascara for you instead.
So you don't think that?
Nah, you
Oh,
got
no.
you got nine lashes. It's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's strong.
So this is glam, but no lashes. No?
It might be glam. It's a bit more Charlie from Busted that I'm going for, but you know, it's 2020. You can do what you want with your eyebrows. Fleek is what fleek is. Alright, boom. So next. More bronzer. I'm gonna need a big brush for this one though. I'm gonna go with this one because it's the biggest one you've got. Close your eyes. Yeah, it's fucking strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tonic Lights and Contour Pro for the professionals like me. This is the thing that makes people look like a robot in it first, and then you've got to rub it in. That look tells me, yes, you are correct, Rich. Oh, we're going to use this one on the end. I don't know what it is. That one. That one? We're going to use that one. That sounded like it wasn't too far off from being somewhere near right. But probably not even light enough, is it? Cheekbones, innit? Them cheekbones.
Very subtle.
Subtle glam. That's what we're going for.
Just that.
Yeah, that's it. Just that.
That was contour.
Yeah, contour then. Don't want to over contour. My sorbet blush. We're back. Sunset blush.
Sunset.
Sunset. Bougie French sorbet blush. Raspberry. This is terrible.
Why is it terrible?
It hasn't done what I wanted it to.
It's like you're punching me in the face.
Dope. I might have ruined the sponge. You got plenty of sponges before. Lipstick is going to be the next one. And we're going to...
So lipsticks are all in there. You've got that box here, here, and then lip glosses are in the back.
Wow. To complement... I could go for a gloss instead, is it? Less is more.
Yeah, obviously.
Oh, here we go. Beautiful. So I've gone with a... don't know, but it's by the Rimmers. Rimmel. By Rimmel.
They just called I Dare You. How do you want my lip?
Poke them up. No, I'm sure. I've got makeup to be applied.
Give it a smell.
Oh, it smells like, doesn't it? Oh yeah, boom. Alright, ready. Now I'm just going to line the lips and we're pretty much done, you know. For this, I've got my Extreme 24-hour lip liner. Oh, lip liner, is it? What is that? I've always had lip liner on it.
Go on.
No, I'm not going to use that, it's too extreme. Lip liner pencil, because it's the only one we can find. And we're done. We've got setting spray. And it's set.
Do some close-up shots.
Fire. Plain t-shirt and jeans and you would stand out a mile.
This is the finished look. I'm not a fan of the eyebrows. I think you might have gone a little too dark.
Dragon.
Do you think?
I was going for the Cara Delevingne look, innit?
Maybe they're a little bit too dark, my eyebrows. And they're definitely sisters, not twins.
I might be too high fashion.
That foundation you use is probably my most expensive foundation. I actually really like the lips.
Do you?
Yeah. Contouring was interesting because you used a light colour, whereas contouring is usually with a dark colour.
Ah, okay. And then highlight is the light
Highlight
on
is the
the
light.
dark.
Yeah.
So you put dark and then
So
light.
what you were doing is just putting highlight on. Come here.
Come here,
He
boy.
wants attention.
Come here, you.
What do you think of the look? Do you like my look?
Maybe so, eh?
Do you like my look? Oh, he likes it.
You like?
Well, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.